How to replace the display panel assembly or top cover. Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, wireless LAN module, and heatsink. Removal. Grasp the top cover near the display panel hinges and open it approximately 180 degrees so it lays flat on your work surface. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel, webcam, and wireless LAN antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the retention tape and peel back the Mylar that secures the display panel, webcam, and wireless LAN antenna cables. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the webcam cable from its connector on the motherboard. Release the retention bar and disconnect the display panel cable from its connector on the motherboard. Remove the wireless LAN antenna, webcam, and display panel cables from the routing channels on the top cover and speakers. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the top cover. Remove the two 5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the left display panel hinge to the top cover. Lift the display panel assembly off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Note: before installing a new top cover, remove all components from the old top cover and install them onto the new top cover. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel assembly or top cover.